It's nice to know that you can set up a reminder to tell yourself to do something in the future for one of your staff. We're going to set something up, in this case for George. First I've selected his name and I click the little note button on the right hand side. Now I'll enter a title in for the note, and this is going to be a pay rise in December. I don't have to put a description, but I'm going to say that it's 1 year from his anniversary, just in case I want to know a little bit more about it later. Make sure that the Requires Action box is selected and click into the due by date and select the date when it needs to be done. So I'm going to choose the 21st of December. And I click OK. That's all I need to do really at the moment. If I click the Notes button inside the Details screen for George, I can see that I do have a note set up in the future. If I want to look at it later and see what it was all about, I just click the Edit pencil to view it. I can make changes from here as well. Just going to close it now. Now, what happens in December? Well, if we go to the Run a Pay area, I've actually set up another pay cycle in that date range to show you. So we're looking at December. You can see here that Sally, the first employee, has a Calculate button there, and I can click it and close her pay. I can do the same for Denise, but I can't do anything for George. It's greyed out. Nothing happens when I click on it. The reason for it is this little note button here. If I click on the note, I can see that I was meant to set up a pay rise for him. I can view it all, and I can turn off the Requires Action button. That will allow me to move forward now. When I click OK, the Calculate button is not greyed out anymore, the note's disappeared, and all I need to do is go and set up the pay rise for George, and we're done.